What if I told you, in just 30 days, you could rewire your brain, rebuild your focus, and become unstoppable? No motivation, no luck, just discipline. Most people will scroll past this, but if you stay, you're not most people. First, the problem everyone feels. Every morning, you wake up with big dreams and lose them to small habits. You open your phone before your eyes even adjust to the light. You say you'll start tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes. The truth? You don't need more time. You need structure. Second, the solution, the 30-day challenge. For the next 30 days, no more empty motivation. You'll follow 4 rules. Rule 1, no phone for the first hour after waking. Rule 2, cold shower every morning. Rule 3, 1 hour of deep work, no distractions. Rule 4, workout every single day. These 4 rules sound simple, but they'll expose every weakness in your mind. Third, the pain that builds strength. You'll want to quit on day 3. You'll tell yourself it's pointless. But that voice in your head, the one that says, take it easy, that's the reason you're stuck. Discipline isn't about doing what feels right. It's about doing what's necessary. Fourth, the transformation, rewiring your brain. After 2 weeks, something shifts. You stop negotiating with your mind. The small habits that once drained you start to empower you. You wake up sharper. You think clearer. You feel alive. That's not motivation, that's rewiring. You're literally changing your brain's reward system from cheap dopamine to real progress. So here's your choice. Stay addicted to comfort, or face 30 days of controlled pain that will build an unbreakable you. Stop talking about your potential, start proving it. The 30-day discipline challenge begins now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it.